Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox something we got from the Cred discount store. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We have a nice rectangular box that we received. So we are just opening the package now. देखते हैं क्या है इसके अंदर. ये गया यहाँ से and it opens up nice and easy. Let's open this on the either sides. Here we go. Oh my god, we broke our pen, I guess. I guess we should be. Oh man, we broke our pen. Shouldn't be using a pen next time. So, we got something here. Get any product at $3.99. Scan to get offer. Okay. Alright. We have some Camphor from Dweep perfume Camphor Freshener. We got 3 boxes of them. You can see the packaging. Let's take out the first one. The first one is what flavor is this? This is lavender. We have mogra and we have sandalwood. Sandalwood. So the price of this is $2.99. Definitely we got it at a discounted price. We got a 3-in-1 combo. Okay, it's like 5 rupees per gram. We got 60 grams of camphor here. This is mainly I got this for uh, having good odor in the room wherever this is placed. There is sandalwood, the last one, and the price is again $2.99 for this as well. You can look at the other details. I'll just get this a little closer or in a proper angle so that you'll be able to read it. ये था unboxing of Dweep's premium camphor fresheners और कुछ details यहाँ पे printed है. There are some images suitable for cars, for puja room, for wardrobe, for workspace, for washrooms. So I think I'm going to keep one for my workspace, one for the hall, and one for the washroom. Right? So let me open this box and see what is there inside. Oh, nice. It has nice premium packaging with the manufacturer's logo attached here. Are all the 3 packages of same color? Sandalwood goes brown, and there is mogra. Mogra is the Indian flower that gives out a lot of fragrance. It is normally used in the markets. It is normally sold in the markets, and it is used during prayers by the Hindus. Not only Hindus, almost everybody in India. And lavender goes with the lavender color. All 3 of them having the same colors that goes along with the actual image that is printed. Man, this is strong. Oh my god. So this is kind of a powder that is uh, broken down and filled into this bags. It does not have any definite shape. It is all powdery, and you have this small ribbon at the head where you can hang it around at places. So this was the unboxing of premium camphor fresheners from Dweep. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye.